Unlock the ultimate secret to luxury car performance. Is the Michelin Primacy MXM for the world's greatest all-season touring tire? We're putting it to the absolute test to find out. Discover its unrivaled quiet comfort, shocking wet grip, and impressive longevity. This is the definitive review you cannot miss before your next upgrade. Get ready for the truth. Let's dive in. Michelin Primacy MXM4 delivers a refined blend of luxury, performance, and durability, making it a top choice for drivers seeking all-season reliability and comfort. Designed with Michelin's advanced Helio all-season compound infused with sunflower oil, this tire ensures superior grip in wet conditions and light snow, enhancing safety year-round. The Comfort Control technology sets it apart by minimizing road noise and vibration, resulting in a quiet and smooth ride that feels premium even on long journeys. With Max Touch construction, the tire promotes even tread wear, boosting fuel efficiency while extending its tread life to an impressive 0,000 to 55,000 miles. Backed by a UTQG rating of 500 AA, the asymmetrical tread design not only enhances cornering stability, but also provides consistent traction across various road conditions, making it a reliable option for different driving environments. Available in rim sizes ranging from 16 to 20 inches, the Primacy MXM4 caters to a wide selection of sedans, coupes, and crossovers, giving drivers flexibility in fitment without compromising performance. Some models also feature ZP, zero-pressure, run-flat technology, allowing limited travel even after a puncture, which adds peace of mind during emergencies. With a tread depth starting at around 9.5/32 NDS and speed ratings up to 149 miles per hour, this tire delivers responsive handling and confidence at highway speeds, ensuring stability even during sharp turns or quick maneuvers. For example, the 225/45 or 1891V size supports a load capacity of 356 pounds with a maximum pressure of 51 psi, ensuring strength and reliability under demanding conditions. The Michelin Primacy MXM4 is designed to balance high performance with long-lasting dependability, making it a standout option for drivers who value a luxurious driving experience while also wanting a tire that lasts. Every aspect of this tire emphasizes innovation, comfort, and safety, from its advanced tread compound to its quiet, smooth ride, with its proven ability to deliver reliable all-season traction, exceptional tread life, and a near-luxury driving feel. The Michelin Primacy MXM4 is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants a premium tire built to handle everyday roads with confidence. In conclusion, if you're seeking a reliable, all-season tire that delivers a quiet, comfortable ride and confident handling, the Michelin Primacy MXM4 is a premier choice. It expertly balances performance, safety, and efficiency for your sedan or coupe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.